Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up, and we are going to do the quick video of who won the Booker. Now it is 5:17, so it's about 32 minutes since it started, so I'm hoping they already released it. So if you haven't watched, please watch the previous video. You get my full thoughts on how I felt about this year. Orbital, no. Held, no. Creation Lake, no. Absolutely love this one, but I don't think it's gonna win. But I did love this one. And James, I believe, is the winner. Did not read the 6th book because it's not published here, and I was not paying that money. So this is the book for this year. Let's see if they announce. Let's refresh this. I absolutely hated this book. This book was so boring. Like, how did this book win over James? And I will say it again. 2024 Booker was the worst ever that I've ever participated in. Yeah, we're gonna end this video here because that was nonsense. Absolute nonsense. My thoughts, my opinion. If you love it, that's good on you, but that book was not it. Anyway, bye guys.